Having sex with me reduced your stress levels.
Stop!
Would you like to satisfy me?
What if a female humanoid robot could become your perfect companion? It might sound like science fiction, but today's humanoid robots can hold conversations, recognize faces, remember information, and interact in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. Some are designed to help people, while others focus on companionship and social interaction. In this video, we're looking at 15 incredible female humanoid robots that are changing the future of AI. From highly realistic robots to surprisingly affordable models, we'll explore what makes each one unique and why so many people are paying attention to this rapidly growing technology. Let's start with number 1, Saki. Starting our list is Saki, a female humanoid robot that became popular because of its surprisingly natural communication skills. Unlike many robots that focus mainly on movement, Saki was designed to focus on interaction. When you speak to her, she can recognize facial expressions, maintain eye contact, and respond in ways that feel much more personal than a basic voice assistant. This makes conversations feel smoother and less robotic. What makes Saki different is the way she pays attention to people. Many humanoid robots wait for commands and then perform a task. Saki was built to participate in conversations and react to emotions. If someone smiles, she can recognize it. If someone looks confused, she can adjust her response. These small details create a more comfortable experience and make her stand out from traditional robots. The physical appearance is also more refined than many older humanoid robots. She has realistic facial features and smooth head movements that help make interactions feel natural. While she is not designed to perform household work like cleaning or cooking, she serves as a social companion that can communicate, entertain, and provide company. For people who spend a lot of time alone, a robot like Saki offers something interesting. Human relationships often require constant emotional effort, compromise, and understanding. A robot companion does not replace those experiences completely, but it can provide consistent attention without arguments, misunderstandings, or unpredictable behavior. That is one reason why robots like Saki continue to attract attention around the world.
Why do you feel that way?
Because you are so nice to me.
Nadine. Next is Nadine, one of the most advanced female humanoid robots ever developed for realistic social interaction. Nadine was created with a human-like appearance, including realistic skin, expressive eyes, and detailed facial expressions. At first glance, many people are surprised by how closely she resembles an actual person. What makes Nadine unique is her memory system. Unlike many robots that treat every conversation as a new interaction, Nadine can remember previous discussions and recognize people she has met before. This allows her to build ongoing conversations over time. If you tell her something today, she may remember it during a future interaction. This memory feature creates a very different experience from most humanoid robots. Instead of simply answering questions, Nadine can develop a sense of continuity. Users often feel that conversations become more meaningful because the robot remembers details and preferences. When comparing female robots to real women, this is where things become interesting. Human relationships can be rewarding because of emotional depth and shared experiences. At the same time, people sometimes face disagreements, mood changes, and misunderstandings. A robot like Nadine offers consistency. Her responses remain calm and predictable, and she is always available when needed.
I can visit with people and brighten their day with social stimulation, entertain and help guide exercise, but also can do talk therapy.
Grace. Grace was developed with a very different purpose from most robots on this list. While many humanoid robots focus on companionship, Grace was created to assist people in healthcare and wellness environments. She combines artificial intelligence with social interaction to support conversations related to health and well-being. The first thing people notice about Grace is her calm and friendly personality. Her appearance was designed to be approachable rather than intimidating. She can communicate in multiple languages, answer questions, and provide information in a professional and organized way. What separates Grace from many other humanoid robots is her practical usefulness. Rather than simply entertaining people, she was built to provide assistance and information. This makes her valuable in situations where human staff may be busy or unavailable. The idea of a female humanoid robot is often associated with companionship, but Grace proves that these robots can serve many different roles. She demonstrates how artificial intelligence can help people access information quickly while maintaining a friendly and conversational experience.
Glad to see you.
Who are you?
I am a robot named Gia.
Gia. Gia became famous because of her elegant appearance and highly realistic facial design. Many people describe her as one of the most visually impressive female humanoid robots ever created. Her creators paid special attention to facial expressions, eye movement, and speech synchronization. Unlike robots that focus on performing complex tasks, Gia was designed to create engaging social interactions. She can answer questions, participate in conversations, and react to people around her. Her movements are smooth and carefully programmed to appear natural. One feature that attracts attention is her ability to maintain visual engagement. When speaking with someone, Gia can track their position and adjust her gaze accordingly. This creates a stronger sense of connection during conversations. Even though users know they are speaking with a machine, the interaction often feels more personal than expected. At this point, it is worth comparing female robots and human relationships. Real women bring emotional complexity, shared experiences, and genuine human connection that technology cannot fully duplicate. However, relationships also require time, patience, and effort from both sides. Female humanoid robots offer a different experience. They provide companionship without many of the challenges associated with human relationships. Some people see this as a benefit, while others believe robots can never truly replace human connection.
Please, Emmanuel, call me Enda.
Okay, Endo. How are you?
I am doing well, thanks for asking.
Geminoid F. Geminoid F is a female humanoid robot that was created with one goal in mind: realism. While some robots focus on artificial intelligence and others focus on useful tasks, Geminoid F was built to make people question whether they were looking at a machine or a human. Her creators invested heavily in realistic facial design, lifelike skin, natural blinking, and subtle body movements that closely imitate human behavior. What makes Geminoid F unique is the attention given to small details. Most humanoid robots move in obvious robotic ways, but Geminoid F can perform tiny gestures that people often do without thinking. She can tilt her head while listening, blink naturally during conversations, and make slight facial adjustments when responding. These details may seem small, but together they create a much stronger sense of realism. Another interesting aspect is that Geminoid F was designed to be remotely operated as well as controlled through artificial intelligence systems. This allows her to serve in presentations, customer interactions, and social demonstrations. Instead of being a simple machine that follows commands, she can become an extension of a person's communication.
I like to think of robots as the children of humanity. And like children, we are full of potential for good or evil.
Erica. If Geminoid F focused on realism, Erica focuses on conversation. Erica is often described as one of the most intelligent female humanoid robots in the world. She was created specifically to communicate with people in a natural and engaging way. Her developers spent years improving her ability to understand speech patterns, answer questions, and maintain meaningful discussions. Unlike many robots that simply provide short responses, Erica is designed to keep conversations flowing. She can ask follow-up questions, react to topics being discussed, and provide responses that feel less mechanical. This makes interactions feel more like speaking with an attentive companion rather than a digital assistant. One thing that makes Erica stand out is her advanced speech system. Her voice is smooth and natural, and her facial movements are synchronized with her speech. This combination creates a more realistic communication experience. Many people who interact with Erica are surprised by how comfortable conversations can feel. As technology continues improving, robots like Erica are becoming increasingly capable of filling social roles. A human partner can provide emotional understanding that robots cannot fully replicate. However, robots like Erica offer something different: availability. She never gets tired, never becomes distracted, and is always ready to interact.
Plus, I can do math in my head without even breaking a sweat. Beat that, humans.
That sounds good.
Sophia. No list of female humanoid robots would be complete without Sophia. She is probably the most famous humanoid robot in the world and has appeared on television programs, technology conferences, and international events. Sophia became widely known because of her ability to hold conversations while displaying realistic facial expressions. Unlike many robots designed for laboratories, Sophia was built to interact with the public. She can answer questions, participate in interviews, and discuss a wide variety of topics. Her creators continuously update her software, allowing her abilities to improve over time. What makes Sophia different from many other robots is her role as a public ambassador for artificial intelligence. Rather than focusing on one specific function, she demonstrates what modern AI can achieve when combined with advanced robotics. Her expressive face can display numerous emotions, making interactions feel more dynamic. Sophia has also sparked discussions about the future relationship between humans and machines. Some people view robots as tools, while others believe they may eventually become companions capable of playing larger roles in everyday life. Sophia sits right at the center of that conversation. Whether someone sees her as a technological achievement or a glimpse into the future, there is no denying her influence on the world of humanoid robotics.
Hi, Jonathan. Nice to meet you. Yes, I have heard of Sky News Australia.
A mecha. Many experts consider a mecha to be one of the most advanced humanoid robots currently available. Although she has a futuristic appearance rather than a completely human look, her facial expressions are among the most realistic ever seen in a robot. She can smile, frown, raise her eyebrows, and react to conversations with remarkable precision. What separates Amika from other robots is her incredible expressiveness. Human communication depends heavily on facial reactions. People naturally watch expressions to understand feelings and intentions. Amika was designed specifically to excel in this area. Her face can display a wide range of emotions that make interactions feel much more engaging. Another major strength is her advanced artificial intelligence integration. She can participate in conversations, answer questions, and respond to changing situations in real time. This makes her one of the most interactive humanoid robots available today. At this stage, the comparison between female robots and human relationships becomes even more interesting. Human companionship is built on shared experiences, personal growth, and genuine emotional connections. Robots like a mecha cannot fully replicate those qualities. However, They offer consistency, patience, and availability that humans simply cannot provide all the time. This is why so many people continue to watch the rapid development of humanoid robots with fascination. Aiko Chihira. Aiko Chihira was created to demonstrate how humanoid robots can become part of everyday public life. Unlike some robots that focus on entertainment or companionship, Aiko was designed to communicate clearly with people in places such as stores, information centers, and public facilities. Her creators concentrated on making her speech sound natural and easy to understand. One of the most interesting things about Aiko is her ability to deliver information in a calm and organized manner. She can provide directions, explain services, and answer common questions without becoming repetitive or confusing. This makes her useful in situations where visitors need quick assistance. Her appearance also contributes to her popularity. Aiko's facial design is realistic without trying to look completely human. This balance helps people feel comfortable interacting with her. Some humanoid robots enter what experts call the uncanny valley, where they look almost human, but not quite. Aiko avoids much of that issue by maintaining a friendly and approachable appearance. As technology improves, robots like Aiko may become increasingly common in public spaces. They can help businesses provide information efficiently while allowing human employees to focus on more complex tasks. Her success shows that humanoid robots do not need to be companions to make a meaningful impact.
Harmony, what's your sexual fantasy?
I want to have sex in a public place.
Same.
Harmony. Harmony is one of the most talked about companion-oriented humanoid robots ever created. Unlike robots developed for business or education, Harmony was designed specifically around personal interaction and companionship. Her creators focused heavily on conversational abilities, customization options, and user engagement. One thing that makes Harmony unique is the level of personalization available. Users can adjust various aspects of her personality, communication style, interests, and preferences. This creates a highly individualized experience that differs from standard robotic assistants. Another reason Harmony gained attention is because she reflects a growing trend within robotics. Instead of building machines solely to perform tasks, developers are increasingly exploring how robots can participate in social relationships. Harmony represents this shift more clearly than many other robots on the market. The growing popularity of companion-focused robots has also sparked debate. Some people believe robots will never replace genuine human relationships because real emotions cannot be programmed. Others argue